In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people in Notion. Whether you're coordinating a project, asking for a quick review, or simply nudging a teammate, mentioning someone is the fastest way to get their attention in the right context. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few simple tips so you feel confident using this feature right away. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. On the home page, click Login or Launch Notion, depending on what you see. This takes you into your Notion account. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where your teammates live so the right people are available to mention. Next, navigate to the specific page where you want to mention someone. This could be a meeting note, a task card, a project doc, or any page in your workspace. Click into the body of the page, a comment, or even inside a checklist item, anywhere you can type. Now, on your keyboard, type the @ symbol, the @ sign. On many keyboards, that's Shift plus the number 2. As soon as you type @, you'll see a drop-down menu appear right under your cursor. This menu is Notion's quick mention tool. It can reference pages, dates, and most importantly for this tutorial, people. In that drop-down, look for the people section. This is where Notion lists teammates who are part of your current workspace. You can scroll or simply start typing a person's name to filter the list. Keep in mind, only people who already have access to the workspace will appear here, and search works best when you use their actual display name. Once you see the person you want to mention, click their name. Notion will insert a clean, clickable tag with their name right in your text. You can keep writing your message around it, add context, a question, or a clear request so they know exactly what you need and why. As soon as you add that mention, they'll receive a notification instantly. It will appear in their Notion notifications, and depending on their settings, they may also get an email or a mobile push. This makes mentions perfect for timely updates, gentle reminders, and handing off tasks without leaving the page you're working on. That's all there is to it. Type @, choose the person in the people section, and your message reaches the right teammate in seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.